Here's a nice simple video on modifying the atomic coffee maker. Quite often people undo the bottom boiler nut and it strips the thread. So what you can do is you can buy a helicoil repair kit, and it's 1¼ British standard thread, and you use the tap and die, and first of all you bore out the size, take out the threads, tap it and apply the helicoil, and then it modifies it also to a nice hex, so it's quite nice to be able to take it out and be able to service it properly and to take out all the limescale that builds up. If you know someone with a laser cutter, you can remake all the gaskets using food grade rubber, which is a nice tip. Thank you for watching.